press. This is used when you need to drill a hole that's perfectly straight down, or you're going through material that's too hard to push. This is a nice large one. It's a jet, and it can use various size bits for gigantic holes. One of the main things you want to make sure is that you don't ever put this table high enough that it can hit the bit. You actually want a sacrificial piece of wood here, and then your actual piece of wood that you're going to drill through. In order to set this table, there's a lock back here. You twist that lock, and then you can use this handle. I'm not editing it out. That's a good blooper. Use this handle to raise or lower the table. So you just turn it, and you can see the table's going down or back up, and then you lock it in place. Apparently you sit this somewhere. So, in order to put the bit in here, you need a key or a chuck, which I'll show you that in a little bit. Clamps are your friend, so your sacrificial board, you're going to want to clamp down because there's a lot of rotational force in this, and if you're not careful, your board will start spinning. So we'll start by clamping this one. Sometimes your clamps are in your way and you have to move them. And then this piece will be here, and we'll drill through it. This doesn't spin very fast, as a handheld drill does. You would think it would, but it doesn't, because otherwise it's so powerful it would take out chunks or actually cause your board to turn. Start and stops right here, and there's also on this side sets to where I can set how far down this will go. So if I didn't want it to go as far, I can turn these, and now it won't go down quite as far. But for our demonstration, I need to be a little bit higher. Okay, so I will now just drill a hole. You need to reach further back, because if you go with the first one, you're going to run out of room in order to turn it. So you want to reach back. This hand's holding it really tight, and then you're going to drill slowly. Do not go fast. If you try to go too fast, it will cause the board to turn, which is bad. You can also clamp your board down. And now I'll show you how to change the bit. Okay, in order to change the bit, this is called a chuck, and you need a key. And these two pieces of metal actually push against each other. So you put this in here, and all you have to do is turn it. There's 3 different spots. You don't have to go to different ones. There's different spots in case you're standing on a different side. You simply turn it. Once it's loose, this will then slide out. And you can put another size back in. If you need them to be bigger, you just keep turning that. You want to make sure it's in there straight. It is possible because there's 3 little jaws that grab it to go in crooked. And then you want to make sure that you tighten this as tight as you can, because that friction is the only thing holding this from spinning. If you don't get it tight enough, the blade sometimes can get stuck in your wood and then come out of the drill press, and it ruins your wood.